Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can farm or easily farm for the Phoenix team or Phoenix squad in Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes. So let's get right into it. First of all, the Phoenix squad is a team consisting of certain characters, which is, from what I've gathered from online forums, the easiest one to grind for and which can lead into getting Emperor Palpatine. Now, to actually do this, you need to collect their character shards, which you can mostly complete through Cantina battles and arena battles. Those are mostly where you'll find these specific character shards. I don't remember exactly who is in Phoenix Squad, but you'll have to bear with me for that. But yeah, for the Cantina battles, I think Ezra's and Ezra's and Hera from Cantina nodes. You can also gain from Kanan, I think, in Arena Table, and somebody else from Cantina Store. However, I don't exactly know who that is. I have forgotten what I have found out. But yeah, just go through those, and you should either find battles through which you can earn them, or the store where you can buy their specific character shards. Now, you can also try and go to the store and get data packs, or other data cards, which will they basically act as loot boxes, and you can earn character shards from there. You get Bronzium data cards, I think 5 per day. I'm not exactly sure, but I do remember that number popping up. So you can get that one. You can also get the Chromium packs, which will also help you in getting characters, possibly. As you can see, if you get the mega packs, characters are guaranteed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.